DPS TeleClass.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to DPS TeleClass. How are you students? I hope you all are doing well. Today again, Yaania Miss is meet you all to take a mathematics teleclass for grade 5 students. Are you all excited to know today's topic? Okay, but before going to start today's lesson, let's recite the dua.
قال رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي.
Students, at first I am going to share some stories. By seeing this story, you have to tell me what the topic today we are going to learn. Here's the stories. So you have to read these stories and tell me the topic of the today's lesson. Any guesses? Okay, very good. The topic today we are going to learn addition and subtraction word problems. Okay students, now I am going to share today's learning intention and success criteria. Today's learning intention. Today we are going to learn about addition and subtraction word problems. Here is the success criteria. Our success criteria is I will be successful if I can solve simple word problems in addition and subtraction and create word problems in addition and subtraction. Okay students, before going to do word problems, let's recall the vocabularies of addition and subtraction. Here is the addition vocabularies. Increase, group of, more, total, altogether, at, more than, whole, equal, join, combine, how many, and in, all. Here is the subtraction vocabularies. Less than, minus, reduce, decrease, take from, take away, deduct, remain, deduct, leave, distance between, difference between. Students, when we are going to solve word problems, first we are going to identify the vocabularies. And these vocabularies helps to find answers easily. Okay students, now I am going to explain how to solve word problems. First you have to read the problems for understanding. After that you have to consider, find out the keywords and important facts. And then you have to plan, draw a picture if you need it to help you solve the problems. And then you have to write the equation for the number problems. And after that you have to solve the problems and you have to show your work. At the last, you have to evaluate your answer. Okay students, now let's do some word problems of addition and subtraction. Look at the example 1. There are 786 men, 672 women and 508 children in a village. Find out the total population of the village. Students, what is the key point of this story? Keyword. Very good. Total. Find the total population of the village. So you have to add, right? Okay, students. Can you add these numbers? 786, 672, 508. Okay, here is the answer. The total population of the village is 1966. Okay, students, look at example 2. Director Ahmad directed a film which ran for 246 minutes. During the editing process, 108 minutes were removed. What is the final running time of the film after editing? Students, is this a subtraction story or an addition story? Yes, this is a subtraction story. So you have to subtract 246 minus 108. What is the final running time of the film after editing? The final running of the time of the film is 138. Students, look at the example 3. A school library has 330 books in Divahi, 200 books in English and 2000 books in other languages. How many books are there in library? Students, can you tell me this story is addition or subtraction story? Very good. In this story you have to add 2000 plus 300 plus 200. The answer is there are 2500 books in library. Let's see the example 4. Mark has a book which contains 650 pages. He has already read 495 pages. How many pages are unread? Yes, very good. In this story you have to subtract. Subtract 650 to 495. 650 minus 495. Students, can you subtract these two numbers and tell me the answer? Very good. The answer is there are 154 pages are unread. And here's the example 5. A man plucked 435 mangoes from one tree, 450 mangoes from the second tree, and 295 mangoes from the third tree. Find the total number of mangoes plucked from the trees. Find out the total. So you have to add 435 plus 450 plus 295. Total number of mangoes plucked from the tree is 1180. Okay, look at example 6. An animal care society tested 356 pet animals. 126 were infected by diseases. Find the number of healthy pet animals that participated in the medical test. In this story, you have to subtract. So you are going to find the number of healthy pet animals that participated in the medical test. So you have to minus 356 minus 126. The answer of this story is 230 pet animals are participated in medical test. Okay students, now this is the time to create a word problem. Look at the example 1. So here is the picture. By seeing this picture, can you create an addition word problem? Okay, here is the word problems that I have created an addition. Lyra buys 7 apples, Liana and Kian buy 5 apples, 8 oranges and 6 pears. How many fruits does 3 of them buy in all? Look at the example 2. Here is the picture. By seeing this picture, you have to create a word problem. In an orchard, there are 20 coconut trees and 6 papayas. How many less papaya trees than coconut trees are there in the orchard? In this story, I have created a subtraction story. Okay, look at the example 3. By seeing this picture, I have created a story about addition. There are 2 men, 3 women and 5 children in a zoo. Find the total of people visited in zoo. So here is the example 4. The color pencils. Syme had 24 colored pencils. 5 of the pencils broke. How many does Syme have left? I have created a word problems of subtraction. Here's the example 5. Ahmad went to the beach. He found 15 small seashells and 4 large seashells. How many seashells did Ahmad find altogether? Here I have created an addition story. Okay students, look at example 6. Here's a picture. By seeing this picture, I have created an subtraction story. In a garden there are 9 red flowers. Yaania picked 3 flowers. How many flowers are remain in garden? Okay students, now this is your activity time. In today's activity, I have given 2 tasks. Look at the task 1. Take out Max 5A workbook. Open page number 34 and do exercise in 2.4. Do this work in your notebook. Okay students, look at task 2. Create the addition and subtraction word problems for given 2 pictures. In this picture, you have to create an addition word problems. In the second picture, you have to create an subtraction word problems. Students, do this work on your notebook and take out a clear picture of your work and send it to your class teacher. Okay students, before going to end up today's lesson, let's discuss the success criteria for today's lesson. Solve simple word problems in addition and subtraction. And here is the another success criteria. Create word problems in addition and subtraction. Students, I hope you all achieve today's success criteria. Okay students, now this is the time to conclude today's lesson. I hope you all enjoyed today's lesson and got some idea to solve simple word problems of addition and subtraction. And I hope you all know how to create a simple word problems of addition and subtraction. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Stay home.
DPS TeleClass